Hey guys, I'm back, and welcome back to Kyro's workshop. First video of 2020. Let's start this year with something spooky by continuing with the Deadly Sin series. Today I'm making Gluttony, that leaves only 2 left, so without further ado, let's create. For this project, I'm recycling one more time. The victim is my Taskmaster Repaint I did for the Marvel collab. To start the body mods, I'll cut off the fingers. Next, I'll mark the new shape of the mouth. For the concept of gluttony, I imagine an animal-like monster without legs that crawls around everywhere looking for some human flesh. What happened to his legs? Well, he ate them. After marking the hips, I'm removing the legs with my Dremel. And later, with an X-Acto knife, I'll cut off the new mouth. I want the torso to look like it's ripped, so again I'm marking the new form. And later I'll sculpt it with the Dremel. For the hands, I want it to have very long skinny fingers, so I'll use an owl to make space for some wire. Next step is to give the wire some curves. Looking good. After buffing the complete body, it's time for the epoxy clay. I was having a really hard time making the 5 fingers to fit, so I decided to remove one. Fingers done. Time to sculpt some muscles on the chest. Using water is very helpful to create smooth surface and reduce the amount of sanding. I didn't record the complete process, but I also added some muscles on the shoulders and arms. For the base of the ears, I'll use some Turalized ones. securing the ears to the head with wire. Off camera, I painted inside the head with black paint, then hot gluing the ears to the head. With some nail extensions, I'll cut a lot of teeth. Now, time to sculpt very pointy ears. This monster is moved by pure instinct, so I wanted to have a metal mask to cover its eyes. Next step, sculpting the gums. And just before they dry, I'll position the teeth and let the epoxy clay cure. This is how it looks. I tried to remove all the teeth so that I could paint the gums easier. Later, I'll super glue them back. I'll paint a complete monster with some black acrylic. But it was looking like venom. So I decided to change the color to brown. Once everything is painted, it's time to get some depth with a wash. And give some realism to the wounds with red paint. and also to the guns. To finish, I'll glue some of this hairy yarn that already comes in wefts. Yep, it couldn't be more convenient. So with some help of my pal Elmer, I'll glue the wefts. But I wasn't feeling very secure about it, so I decided to clean the glue and use hot glue instead, and this is how the head looks finished. I'll continue with the back and trim everything once I'm done. Also added some fur to the hands and arms. And it is finally ready to go and eat you all. I believe that this hairy demon is by far the most terrifying thing of them all. What do you think? You like my interpretation of Gluttony? Let me know down in the comment section. Next one will be the most requested scene, Envy. As always, remember to like, share and become a workshopper by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Kyro out.